Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, I have shown you that how we'll analyze earthquake load according to ASCE 705 and also according to BNBC 2017 using Etabs by using different method for that. And I have used an Excel file, and that was it. That is our Excel file. By using that Excel file, I have done my work by using that Excel file. So again I'll use that Excel file and the same value, but I'll change the design code now. In our previous video I have shown you about BNBC 2017, I mean user coefficient method. Then I have shown you ASCE 705. Now I'll show you ASCE 710 version from Etabs, and another video I have shown you that for Excel analysis. So if you new here, you can watch my previous video to understand about that Excel and about that two method I have told you. So let's start. First of all, I'll open my previous model. This is my previous model, and you know that about model 15 Storey model. And after that I'll go to define load. So from here I'll go to load pattern, and from here there have three load, and today I'll use here a load 10-7 ASCE 710 Seismic ASCE. From here ASCE 710 or auto seismic load of that, and add OK. So it's okay. Now we have to go for modify, and if you don't know about that how we'll add that load and how we'll do that, you can watch my previous video. The link I given in description below, and I'm not going to discuss it again because it will make the video lengthy and waste our time, both yours and both mine. So I'll go ahead and modify, and as like previous video it will be default, and from here I have to change that. So from here just use that value here. So first of all, value of T is 1.454. Here value of T is 1.454. Then I'll go for Storey range is base to top Storey. Then factors response modification R was 5. It is 5, and system over strength omega, that was it was 3 omega 3, and then deflection amplification CD, that was CD was 4.5, and importance factor, the importance factor, that is 1.25. I'll add that later here because I forget that to add here, so that I can find that value easily from here. 1.25, and after that I'll go here user defined, and from here the value of SS and S was S1 0.2 0.5, here 0.5, and here 0.2 2, a long period transition 2, yeah, long period transition 2. In my previous video I have discussed about that in details, so for that I am going very fast. and here site visit will use f so that we can provide the value in user manual. So fa, so first of all fa 1.15 1.15, here site coefficient fv or fv 1.725 1.725. So our all data are okay now. Okay, and if you have any confusion you can comment me below, or if you should watch my previous video, that will make your confusion very clear. Now I'll go ahead, analysis, set load, run, and I will off that, and I will use that do not run, because at the time I don't need that value, I just only need ASCE in 710 value. So okay, I will go for model check, select okay. After model check we'll go for run, and if you're new here you can watch my previous video to understand about that, and also they have many video about Etabs. It will clear your basic to advanced level. And I'm running and analyzing our Etabs file. It's analyzing our value according to ASCE 710, and after that we'll compare with our Etabs data and our previous method data, that it is same or not with that. And if you think that this is helpful for you, you can press the like button so that I can understand that is really helpful for you. So it's okay, our analysis have been done. Then here if you see that is our value, that was our value, that is for 10 story, and that was for bottom story. We'll go here. So I'll go in Etabs and I will create a report. And also if you don't know that how to create report, you can watch my previous video in Etabs tutorial series. It's creating our report, so that's complete. And we'll zoom that for so that we can find out that value clearly. From here I'll go down. That was for ASCE 705, that is for ASCE 705. Now here is the value. If you go here is the value, ASCE 710 value, and the wall value you are seeing that are from our previous value that we have provided here, and there is our value, there is our required value. And we'll go here. So you are seeing that this is our required value. The top story value is 21.69 and bottom story 0.397. If I go to Excel, here you are seeing that our top story value was here our top story value is 21.69 here, and our bottom story value was 4.04. and again we'll go here. Now we'll consider that F9 10.2. we'll go here F9 10.2. so you've seen that how exactly all values are matching with each other. And after wall value I mean after that 4 check, we can go that consideration that we can use that any one 4 method of anyone, so that we can we can consider that any method from our previous 4 analysis to analysis our earthquake building. And first of all, we can use user coefficient for BNBC 2017 and ASCE 705, ASCE 710, or according to our BNBC 2017, according to BNBC 2017. And also there have another method. Suppose you have the value of force from here. From here you have the value of force. You can just make that here, go load pattern from here, suppose Seismic, and from here user load. You can add, suppose I'm just giving here 1, add that load and modify that load. So from here you can give that load here according to your value, but before that you have to go for diaphragm, and after that you will be able to apply that value. So from here you can add, suppose row 1, and here you have to provide a value for row 1, row 2, and here, and like that you have to give her F5, and after that again you have to add here, you have to give her G4, and you have to value for Fx, F4, Fz, and for Fy. Like that you have to add your value. So I think it is okay. And if you think that if you need that another video for that, I can make that video, but I am technically not doing that video for that. So if you need that, you can mail me or comment me below. So it's done, and I think it will be very helpful for you, so that you can analyze your building according to a code by using that Excel sheet. And finally, if you need that Excel sheet, you have to mail me or comment me below, and I will send it you in a mail. And this is only for Bangladesh zone, because this is for Bangladesh, because I have said that value here. If you are from other country, you have to change that according to your country, or you can do a simple work here, just that all value will be same according to ASCE 2000, ASCE. Just you have to change that value from here to here. You have to change that value, that both two value. It will be automatically okay for you. So thank you very much. S12, stay connected till next video, and after that I will try to go for window analysis according to ASCE and BNBC 2017. So thank you very much. S12, stay connected. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button so that I can understand about that.